Hola from Guatemala. It rhymes.
Here we are then, the time is about 5:45 a.m. We caught a ride from the city of Xela and we are at the foot of Santa Maria Volcano. I don't remember right now how high exactly it is, I think around
8,000.
Well, maybe 16, I think it's closer to it. 3,700 or something. Anyhow, we have a 1,200 meter ascent and we hope we'll manage to do that before the storms come. It's rain season, it's getting pretty crazy every afternoon in the city even, let alone in the forest. So let's hope we'll be fairly quick. How is it going, Sophie?
Very good. It's lovely to be back in the jungle.
The jungle. The lion sleeps tonight.
Yeah, I wait.
We completed the first part of the route.
Yeah.
The volcano is right behind us up there inside the fog. We've covered a bit more than half the distance and just a third of the elevation gain, so we've got another 800 meters to climb. This is where the steepest part begins. It took us an hour to here. I reckon it should take us about up to 2 hours, maybe more. We're going straight up the cone.
The cone. All the roots.
We're getting a bit of sunlight over here through the clouds. So far so good with regard to the rain. I don't think it's gonna rain on the way up. If it does on the way down, we are going to cope with it.
It's a good position for me back. Being able to like really hunch it.
We've just had our branch break. We are a mere 140 meters below the summit. We should be up there in about 15 minutes from now.
I can't believe it's that quick. I thought it was
Well,
going to be another half an hour.
nah, potentially 20, 25 does anyway. We'll try for 15 if we are fast enough.
No.
It is. The fact that it is a rainforest, it doesn't make it a non-forest.
Come back, come back. But it's not lava.
Yeah, it's volcanic.
The sun.
So here we are on the top of volcano Santa Maria, 3,800 meters plus something. After all, despite expectations, we got some pretty decent views. We even saw the next adjoining volcano, Santiaguito or whatever it's called, fuming. So yeah, that's been a great trip. If we get the rain on the way down, it's totally worth it. Just a bit lower